Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the build airdrop. Now build is basically on the base network and it's pretty simple in order to go ahead and farm this airdrop. So if you know few people on Farcaster, then basically you can go over here and search for that specific builder and invite them. And you can also check the same thing on the talent protocol over here. But if you don't know anyone, then what you can do is basically you can go ahead and share your nomination link over here and invite builders for getting this build airdrop. Now I will share my invite link in the description. I think it's on the first come first serve basis only for 3 people daily, and links in the description, and it also supports my channel. So basically what is build is a token of appreciation on the base network, and it's also a social game that rewards on-chain builders via peer nominations. So basically if you go ahead and nominate a few of your builder friends or some other friends, then you would be able to get this build tokens over here. Now as you can see, there is also something called as a build budget over here. So players have a budget of build points to donate to 3 builders a day, and points would be converted to build tokens in June. So I think I have like 500 points that can be converted to 3 users over here. And as you can see, there are these people on the leaderboard over here that have received a decent chunk of build points over here that would be converted into build tokens in the future. Now build token is already available in the market. Let me go ahead and quickly check this for you. What's the current price? Build, if I go ahead and check this. So as you can see, this is the current price of one build token, and it has like fallen down by 28% in the past 24 hours. But still, I mean, if we go ahead and look at the overall chart of build over here, it's doing a pretty decent job, to be honest, and maybe this token can do good in the future. Now with regards to buying this token, if you want to not wait for the airdrop and go ahead and buy this, although none of this is the financial advice, do your own research. You can buy this on BingX over here, or alternatively you can swap your ETH on the base network for build coins and tokens over here, which I will show you in some time. Now as you can see, this is basically a meme coin for the builders, and it's a ERC20 token on the base network with a overall supply of 1 trillion. And this has been recently launched, like as you can see, in May of 2024. So I think this was launched on 17th May of 2024. And with regards to the tokenomics over here, as you can see, 60% of the tokens are intended for the community and the ecosystem, and 40% are related to the initial liquidity. So they have a decent chunk of liquidity, and this is like there is no VC, no private investors for this token, and it is 100% owned by the community, which is a good thing. Now I might potentially go ahead and buy few of this, just in case, like if this thing happens to blow up in the future. You may never know, because if we go ahead and check the altcoins, currently all coins are doing pretty good, like especially after the Ethereum news. As you can see, like almost all the coins in the top 100 are like doing pretty good. For example, wrapped teeth, then there is ENS is up by like 38%, dimension is like up by 10.8%, ether5, look at metis also. So all L2s and anything related with the Ethereum currently is doing pretty good because of the latest news of ETF approvals. And if we talk about the top 201 to 300, as you can see, the market is completely on the green. Like this meme token Apu from Solana has like up by 25.7, 17.5 degen, and MOG is like 45.6% up. And hopefully this indicates the start of the bull market. I mean, whenever the altcoin will start pumping, then the bull market will start. And if we go ahead and check the Bitcoin dominance over here, I think it's still like Bitcoin is having a large dominance, like 53.5. I mean, if it falls to around 47 to 48% levels, then we can see all the altcoins like doing extremely well over here. Although there might be few corrections here and there, and hopefully we can see the peak like the similar altcoins in the previous cycle during the November of this year, hopefully. Although none of this is a financial advice, once again, do your own research. And that is the reason why I've bought like few altcoins over here. And with regards to build, again, if we talk about, you have something called as build point over here. And as you can see, I told you, like I have this daily budget of 500, where I can give it to different people, I think, once they use my referral link. And also, this is for build token points over here. Then there is builder score and there is nomination streak. Now with regards to builder score over here, you can have a account on Wapcast. Now please note that this Wapcast is not free. It will cost you some kind of money over here in order to create an account, which is $5 every year if you're out, if you're outside of the US. And if you're living in states, then I think this Wapcast is free for you. And also, if you go ahead and check, as you can see, you can swap your ETH on the base network for getting some build coins and tokens over here. So basically, you can go ahead and use Uniswap if you want to use a decentralized exchange in order to get the build tokens. If not, then you can use something like BingX, which is a centralized exchange if you have an account on it. Now, with regards to another thing that you can do is basically you can like link your wallet and GitHub with passport.talent.protocol over here. And here, once you click on refresh over here, maybe after a day, then your points would be reflected on the builder score over here. And this was with regards to the builder price. So this is how you can go ahead and farm the builder or build airdrop as of now. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.